Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro Mk11 C370 Regulator. So this is designed to be a travel regulator, but with all the bells and whistles that you need from a higher end regulator, just put into a lighter weight one so it's easier to travel with. So if we take a closer look, if we start at the first stage, so we've got a Mk11 first stage, so nice and compact. You've got the 90-degree first stage, so it's not going to be banging against your head. You've got 2 low pressure ports on either side and 1 high pressure port on either side. Nice and compact. It's made out of marine grade brass, like most others, chrome plated as well. So a fairly lightweight, compact little first stage. Comes with both DIN and A-clamp. Connecting the two, we have a traditional rubber hose, and then the rubber hose goes into the C370. So C370 is a lightweight second stage. On the front we have a polymer purge button. So this triangle here, if you push anywhere on that, that's your purge button. So you're going to sort of fill that second stage with air. Decent styling on it. It's got Scubapro's sort of Italian flair on that. You have adjustable pre-dive Venturi lever. So if you push it forwards, that means that's going to interrupt any free flows. When you first jump into the water, if this isn't in your mouth for whatever reason, it's going to interrupt a free flow before it forms. But then to increase the airflow, make it a little bit smoother, you can just push that back and that will just put it into dive mode and just increase the smoothness of the breath. You also have adjustable breathing, so you can screw this little knob in or out. If you screw it in, it's going to make it a little bit harder to open that valve, a little bit stiffer to breathe in, but if you prefer it a bit looser, you can unscrew it, make it a little bit lighter. Now you have a nice mouthpiece on that, nice and chunky. You're not going to bite through that anytime soon, but that's going to be very comfortable. It doesn't go too far back in your mouth, and you have Scubapro's reusable sort of clip on that, so you can actually undo that and then reuse it if you need to swap over your mouthpiece. On the underside, we have a comprehensive exhaust tee. So that's really going to send your bubbles just sort of away from your face, so it keeps your mask nice and clear. If you're taking photos, for example, it's going to push the bubbles away from your face, so they're not going to get in the way. So a very lightweight regulator. It's got all the bells and whistles that you expect on a higher end regulator, but all in a small, lightweight, compact sort of travel set. So that's the Scubapro Mk11 C370. Thanks for watching and safe diving.